Well, geometers, let's hop back into neutral geometry. And let's hop back into neutral geometry so we can talk about area. We have not yet spoken about area. Area is covered by the 7th axiom of our neutral geometry, and it reads like this. Associated with each polygonal region R, there is a non-negative number alpha of R called the area of R, such that the following conditions are satisfied. We should talk about what we mean by a polygonal region. This is a union of finitely many triangular regions that intersect in no more than an edge. So basically, a polygon can be broken up into triangles. That's the idea there. Area satisfies two conditions that seem obvious, but we postulate them anyway. One, if two triangles are congruent, then their associated triangular regions have equal areas. And then two, area is additive. If you have the union of two non-overlapping polygonal regions, then the area of the union is equal to the sum of the areas of the individual regions. Why do we keep talking about triangular regions instead of triangles? Well, because you understand that when we say triangle ABC, we defined triangle ABC way back when as the union of three line segments. When we talk about the area of the triangle, we're not talking about the area of three line segments. We're talking about the area of the triangular region. In the Euclidean understanding, we're talking about this space in here, which is the intersection of the interiors of the three angles of triangle ABC, the three angles formed at the vertices of triangle ABC. I should note for you that we don't talk about what that area represents. The Euclidean understanding is that it's the stuff on the inside. That is not the hyperbolic understanding, and so that is not the neutral understanding of area. But two properties are super important. Two congruent triangles have equal areas, and area is additive. Those two properties are postulated. So in neutral geometry, when we talk about area, whether we're talking about it on the Euclidean side or on the hyperbolic side, congruent figures have equal areas, and areas are additive. Those are keys. Okay, couple of quick things to follow this, but that'll be for another video.